Do it! Do it! Come on! Kill me! I'm here! Come on! Do it now! Fuck you!
It was at this moment that Nathan knew. He fucked up. It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, yeah!
Hello, motherfucker.
Ha! Gay!
Hey, fuck you, man!
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
Oh, hell no!
Jump! Get the fuck down from there!
Boom, headshot! Boom, headshot! Boom, headshot! Okay!
I'm dying. Help me.
Got him! Got him!
Don't fucking run away from me!
Damn!
Bruh.